Today, we're featuring FH Group Ultra-Flex Neoprene seat covers, custom-made for the 2024 Chevrolet Trax. See below for other models we cover. Ultra-Flex Neoprene offers water-resistant, durable protection with a soft, snug fit, ideal for daily use and active lifestyles. Airbag compatible, engineered with special stitching to allow full-side airbag deployment. Heated and ventilated seats, designed to work seamlessly with both heated and ventilated seats. Center console protects your center console from wear, spills, and scratches. Tailor-fit design, engineered for a tailor-made fit that hugs your seats perfectly. Back pocket storage keeps your car tidy and essentials close. No more mess or lost items. Hassle-free setup. Get a custom fit without the headache. Easy installation saves time and effort. Split bench compatible, maintains full use of your split bench, lift, fold, or flip seats without removing the covers. Built-in seatbelt compatible. No more struggling with awkward fits. Our design accommodates integrated seatbelts seamlessly. Complete 360-degree coverage for full seat protection. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your FH Group Ultra-Flex Neoprene seat covers, designed for the 2024 Chevrolet Trax and more.